Strange facts you never knew.
This sea monster is known as an alien fish. This is a folding shark. It has more than 300 teeth hooked back in like hooks and stacked in 25 rows, swelling deep into the mouth. As a result, when hit, the prey certainly has no chance of survival because the more struggling, the more the hooks will be plugged into the person. This monster can even swallow prey longer than half its body length. The largest shark ever recorded is about 2 meters long. However, it's still much smaller than the legend of this monster that fishermen can recount. Even so, they have almost no chance of attacking humans because they live from a few hundred to several thousand meters below the seabed, where it's known as freezing with such high pressure that it's possible to strangle humans in the blink of an eye. On the contrary, when this fish brought to the surface, it also quickly dies because of the change in pressure. This sea monster can survive for hundreds of millions of years and survive the extinction of the dinosaur.